nobody not here. Nobody now ram nobody not here so. If I ginger I'm gonna check everything up and everything good. You see what I say? Yeah man, cool guy there see me. You see what I say? Tall man there see me. You see what I say?
So one link, we are trying to change the positivity and
that's what I do man.
Remember say if we not do it for the ghetto youth, them nobody now do it for them.
Nobody at all now do it.
And use a great example of a ghetto youth will change your life. Look at people, that is Ginger's first
Dolphin.
And have you ever eaten something like this before?
No, me never really eat this yet, you know. But me know a nice
The
fish.
more you cut off a piece for yourself.
No man, you can't get it man. Because me I go back at ocean again.
Oh.
So me I have more.
Okay.
More yeah, man, enjoy that one.
Alright, thank you sir.
So me I got ocean again. So when I got ocean again, the next small one like this, I may eat it. And I sell it.
Okay. You have to sell your first catch and can't eat your own supply.
No, because I remember saying a gas go out there. You know.
So you have to pay for gas?
I have gas back again.
Got it. You see that? You can't drink off the gas money.
No. I smoke. Alright, that's not there.
So I want to know good fish, dog or something other animal no eat them.
Same bird,
Them bird they eat them?
Feed them still. That's what they left here so.
Okay.
I don't throw them out so I
Them go for them?
Yeah, I'll fight over it, got it.
I'll fight my fight.
I
want to go feet.
Yes, I'm running.
Them. So what's your name, sir? Cedric Ramson. So you're an Elder Master Fisherman. And who taught you?
Tap me, you know.
Man who taught me, I go to sea with enough men, but they never taught me. I go to sea with one man, and that's 7 years me and him fishing for, and he never give me the engine. Till 4.5 years he give me the engine on me hand. And from him give me the engine on me hand. He always tell me say when I go to sea, Rasta, anyway you see me put the bow, is a target. And it's a man always drive with the compass in a bucket and we get a piece of bank of fishing and we never miss a key. And he always, one time he take out it, he say, yo, you know, say, Chuck, carry the nice of me here, man, go and drive. And he give me it and he say, yo, and he just pint here and say, hold here, sir. You know, see no land? No, we are not forcing me there, but the key there out there. And he say, hold him right there, so. And he don't put it out of sleep and he must sleep and he get up and he say, you know see it here? And I say, no, I don't see no lighthouse. And he say, pass the compass give me. I just put it in a bucket and just take out the compass give me and he hold and he say, yeah man, go and see where man. And he give me it and put it back in the bucket and I lay down on the top for 5 minutes. He say, yeah man, see it pole there, see it there. He say, yeah man, I see you learn. I see you learn, I see you the compass in the bucket. I say, man, I see you learn man. That's why I don't give it until now. And the one first time he give me, he said, I don't get it in the shine now. And I weather, I give you. And he give me it in the weather when I go across one place named Choco with a piece of cake. I go Choco to go over Joe Bank. He give me it. And I take 10 gallons and hold him for 150 because compass where I use 150. Because I know a post here, I hold him for the kid, so 150 post and I go and say, yeah. And I take 10 cents here and say, yeah man, I'll come and take it from there. So. And that's all. 7 years man is fishing.
I'm going to try to get some award when the funds come in, because I give out awards. I always tell the man, say, Holness should have meet and give us some awards for the foundation of Jamaica. But them now soon, no? So Jamaica Good Life soon, no? And the people, I'm going to say, yo,
you're a veteran.
You're a veteran. Proud of you. You make Jamaica great, brother.
Man from around from the south side come on there, you know.
Yeah.
Up at Greenwood. And I talk about me. And I down from the beach and a man come one virgin named Jagan and when he hear man say Cedric Ramson, say, oh, are you a Rasta man from around the south? 2 man from around the south side from Pedro Keith, go back Greenwood, up a border bill, but I talk about you, and I say, yeah, nobody pan the court, it's out, pan the north coast, I can't hold the line, and she don't go see. And I'm going to stunt him and say, yo, easy, I say, no, nobody here know.
So give them your number.
4896620.
4896620. So if they need fish, they need to come down and
the first number I ever owned in my life named Digicel. and me lose him 5 times and me have a chip. Me no bother go call for a number, me just carry my chip and get back my number.
So your phone at work? Not WhatsApp?
No, I don't
Direct.
have any WhatsApp. But if you don't hear me this week, my phone drop overboard tomorrow. So you'll hear me next week. And if you call me next week and you don't hear you, call me again.
See, out of 10, I go give you a 9 for the good energy, you know. Enough people in Jamaica, them not have the purity level, a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Good level.
And that number,
Yeah.
nobody you call me tomorrow, you don't get it. You can't drop overboard. But don't last that number there. First number in my life and did the open I never get it today.
Say it again.
First number in my life and phone a come in. I hit me up until today. So if you call me today and you know get the number and drop overboard.
Excuse. Then 2 people is on an event. Then I'll come back in the day and then I'll call some more people. Some you know if 10 or 8 people don't come. You have to cook to them on an event. The man there,
yeah,
nice the lady,
yeah,
it's a Jamaica Good Life.
Oh, you said to me.
I know the tent and I know them.
Oh, you said to me.
I mean, what may I say to you now? What you do here? They happen. See 2 people there, see man there. I'm just stop me this organ and say, Good Life, Jamaica Good Life, and some part.
Wow, see that at work.
He say, they'll come back, and in time in done, they'll come back card. You want, and the lady say, no, I want no powder season or nothing, natural season.
Oh, so
them kind of season you want.
So things are starting up.
Things are always ready, man. Things when did they go along already, man. You know what I mean? I just tweet, I come then they come now a new year.
Them coming, them forward and down.
Forward, I know.
Yes, cause them sister Jamaica Good Life is positive.
Hold on, we don't say no negativity.
But I fear in the white dress?
Lady in the white dress.
Where I said to me, man?
And the man.
So if all them see me, them shock.
You go up then?
No, man, them I go forward.
Forward in our camp. Because he said, in the camp, he said, oh man, we know a camp, man, we know a camp. Yeah, so I see what...
Yeah, so you know, I don't know what I have to do. Treat them well, treat them good.
No, right, no bother with that.
How you mean?
You know me, you're delicated person.
You're delicated. And a dedicated,
You go see her and kill a 240 pound
You're
man.
delicate.
Yes.
And a delicate.
Delicate,
Delicate. You're delicate with caring. Alright.
So go see already around now, you know. You don't go see, you know.
Yeah.
I have 220 yard line. I want to go number 6 hook. I want to little fella here. And kill a marlin me alone. 240 pounds. And when me come a land round here, a man tell me say he can't believe nothing go so. And when I tell people to search a boat, because I just get a boat, I have no line, nothing, just one line there. I'm telling people to search a boat. As anything you find there, so lock it up. You can't believe until it's there. No man never do it. At 3 times, I have to run him down full buck. He not take away line from me. And at 3 times, he kick it dive. He not take your line from me.
Wow.
When I come along, then can't believe that's why I go number 6.
How month you born?
Me.
Me what day? Yeah, I'm May 7.
My father born me, so my uncle them.
See what delicate,
Sealer. I just can't. I just.
How are you? Bouncy.
Oh, Selassie. You know, so I did think to myself, I should.
Wow!
You know,
Every time I see a parky bus, I feel it, you know. Every time.
Doing this. You see? And when I do it, same way. That's what I love about St. James. And the vibration what we create down here. Because we have plant Marcus Garvey on the USBs them, the roots reggae and the history for the youth them, and we plant it and we give it to them and we wait patiently. We have a plan. And the plan is to uplift every man's consciousness in Jamaica. If the mind don't change, the kind don't change. You know what I say?
That's true, it's not going to change. That's true.
What we say, wizard, if the mind don't change, mankind don't change. So we say change and balance of the mind. And this my dolphin is divine because this is from a change and balance student, Ginger, who changed his life from a life of crime to be a fisherman. So people, Wizard, pass me a little piece of, pass me a plate please, and pass. Courtney, oh, okay. And pass me, oh, wow. Look at that, Courtney, thank you so much. So we say indigenous. So what you do with the fire this up? Wow, wow, clean it? That's how it works? You get rid of the insects? Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Honorable. Florence Kurt. Jano, thank you guys for allowing me to sit with you. You see? Kayirwa. This here there. Look here. Look how simply my looking up. Enough people want the vibration here now. Ah, in the morning, my people. This is Randy. The girls them candy. Big up to Sandy.
Having a piece of my.
People, are the first time, you know?
I'm taste.
Cause we rub the pepper on it.
Yeah, man, right.
Me just rub it on it. Only time if you just rub the pepper on it.
Show me pepper pie, man. That's all I want.
No black pepper. Little bit of salt.
Yes.
But just rub the pepper on it. Thank you, Wizard. At the first, my ginger catch, you know.
First.
People.
I'm first.
I will support them.
Everything.
I love the best things wanna give me. And the love wanna have around here, so. You see me? It's the most authentic place in Jamaica right here, so.
Well.
So I invite everybody in the world to come here and see the Wizard, I tell you already, and Captain Mark.
Nothing won't change, it's the same treatment. That's really right here.
Camp number 2. Yeah man, see the people. As some live, you know, among my friends.
That's the life.
And the love can't end. And when you spend, it's not too much. You see me, I live the life, Mark. I live the good life.
Yeah, right, man.
Look here. Look here, people. See it there. Wow. Yeah, Mark. Now, I'm telling you now, you see the pepper up on it?
Yeah, man.
Just rub the pepper on it. You know, Wizard, what I know about the Wizard, impatient, you know. You know, one of them virtues is patience. You notice that?
We hate, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, yes, in the life, you know.
I know so the Wizard patient.
That's your life. Patience is a virtue, you know.
So people, we'll see you later.